first of all, a big congratulations to Dr. Srivalli Garu and her achievements. And thank you so much. నాకు నేను ఈరోజు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉన్నాను ఎందుకు అంటే I am very glad to be associated with a brand like MAC. First of all, because it is India's first AI-based aesthetic center, and second of all, who had ever thought that a center, a beautiful center like MAC, will come to a place like Vijayanagaram, right? Like you know, and Dr. Srivalli was explaining to me about her machineries and everything, and I was super impressed, you know, by the way she's getting machines from US and approved, right? So it's a big deal, and it's also extremely affordable for all category of people. So earlier we used to be like, no, only artists and actors and actresses can look beautiful on screen, on social media, but no, today everybody, you know, can look beautiful. And why not? Because I personally feel that if a little treatment can give you confidence, if a little treatment can make you feel good, then why not? Especially for women, because I know sometimes I feel extremely low on confidence. You know, sometimes after delivery, you know, you lose your hair, your skin becomes saggy. So a little treatment, if it can give you confidence, and if it can boost your you know, confidence, why not? I think it's a great place for each and every person to come and look beautiful and gorgeous, and it's extremely affordable. That's the beauty of MAC. And I also believe they're coming up with multiple centers all over India, so I would want to wish them all the very best, and thank you so much for having me on board. And if it comes to Bangalore, I myself would love to go and get myself a consultation done.
We got a client,
Yes.
celebrity client for Bangalore branch.
You know, I
So
have
pre-booked.
no, but jokes apart, you know, do come and visit the clinic. It's a beautiful clinic, and the best part is Dr. Srivalli Garu is encouraging a lot of women empowerment, and that's what has touched my heart today. You know, because like I said, you know, sitting at home, we feel underconfident a lot of times, right? So having a job and, you know, doing your best, it just gives you a power from within, and plus looking beautiful, you know, is a cherry on top. So congratulations to you, and all the very best, and thank you all for being here today. And it's a wonderful clinic, and please do visit here, people of Vijayanagaram. You don't have to go to Hyderabad and Chennai anymore for your treatments. This is, like ma'am said, this is a one-stop solution for all your problems, and at an extremely affordable pricing. And they are also associated with Bajaj Finance, if I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
yes. Zero EMI, like no cost EMI.
Oh wow, okay, that's perfect. So, you know, you get your salary, please do come and invest on yourself. Right? So nothing like it. You know, you don't have to go anywhere else. So yes, I request all of you to just come here. All the husbands, you all can gift your wives for her birthday, right? A good treatment, and all the wives can actually get their husbands to, you know, for the hair transplant and all. Jokes apart, but yeah, it's a one-stop solution for all your problems. And I'm very impressed. So yeah, big congratulations and all the